Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Gabriella's channel. We are in the forest and I'm going to attempt to walk down this hill. It's kind of steep. It's kind of hard to tell from this angle, but there's a little creek down by the bottom. You might be able to hear it. And I haven't seen it this year. I haven't seen it for a while. And I also wanted to check on, I planted trees. This is one of them, one of the little cedars. Looks like there's another one over there. You can't really see it as well from here. There's a little evergreen here. I planted them on this hill to uphold the hill. There's a few evergreens up there, and I want to check on them, see how they are doing. There was also a storm, make sure like nothing is falling on them. Look at this little one, doing well. Okay, it's gonna get quite steep here. I'm basically going down a wall. There is another little evergreen. You can see that I planted. Okay. Probably once I get down to the bottom of the hill and show you back up the wall that I came down in. You can see it. Okay, so down there is a little creek. Show you the forest around. Nice little mossy tree. Take a picture of that. I'm also looking for different patterns and pictures that might be good on different items. Like, I love how the fern looks. Looks really pretty. As you guys know, I started my little red bubble shop. Oh yeah, you can see the river a little bit down there. Okay, let's keep going. It is pretty steep, so going kind of slow, trying to be careful. Also, there's berry vines and all kinds of things. Yeah, going through the forest. Oh, look at this little cedar tree now. You can see it is really happy. It was tiny. So some of these trees, like when I planted this one originally, it was probably like just a seedling as what you see in the top. And look at it now. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's taller than me, probably about like 7 feet. And planted maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. So it seems to be very happy. Okay. Trying to get through some brushes and almonds and dry wood over here. Okay. Okay, getting closer and closer to the creek. There's a lot of trees down. Because we had a storm, so there's just debris and trees everywhere, but you could see the little creek right there. Let's see if I can get closer to the creek bed. There's quite a few obstacles in my way. I don't think I can get through here. So I have to go a little up to be able to get down. Gabriella's adventures. In the forest. And how on earth a Febreze bottle get down here? I don't know. Now I'm gonna have to put it in my back pocket and haul it out of the forest. Okay. So now you can kind of see the steep. It's still kind of hard to see from the ferns how steep it is, but it is pretty steep. All right, almost down there. Trying to make it without breaking any body parts. Okay. Wow. Down by the creek. This is mostly like some rainwater and overflow water. This is the hill I came down on. Interestingly, the video doesn't really show the steepness of it. See all the branches and debris that kind of came down during the storm. Little waterfall there. This is what I wanted to show you, the little creek, and kind of how a natural creek bed looks like. It's a mess. Probably gonna work on clearing this up in the summer. Right now it's really wet and muddy, so I was thinking cabbage growing. But I love the clear water, and I just wanted to take you on a little forest adventure and walk down the steep hill. Now I'm really down in the bottom. I'm gonna have to turn my camera off to walk back on the top, but thank you so much for taking a little adventurous forest walk with me. It feels really good to get out and just spend a little bit of time out in nature after actually being in a training all day and working. It just started to raining a little bit too, so I'm going to go and head back up. Thank you for spending some time with me in the forest. If you have a chance, please go out, spend time in nature. Even if it's hard, you know, just a few days, just 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you can. Walk around, smell the fresh air, look at the trees. Look at these trees, amazing. It's very great. Have a beautiful, amazing, wonderful day. Thank you so much for checking in on me, checking in on my channel, and check out my shop, check out my writing and all the amazing writers I write with on Medium and Newsbreak, and the many beautiful books we wrote together. So you can find me all over social media and on Medium, and may your day be joyful, and get out in nature when you can, reconnect with Mother Earth. Thank you so much. Until we see each other again, Gabriella signing off.